Okay, so have you ever had that moment where, you're like really struggling with something and then someone gives you just the right piece of advice
Mm-hmm.
and it's like a light bulb goes off?
Oh, yeah, totally.
That's kind of the feeling I'm hoping we can tap into today with this deep dive.
Okay.
Really taking a look at the concept of love,
Right.
but not the kind of love that, you see in the movies or on those Hallmark cards.
Right. Yeah, the sappy stuff.
Yeah, exactly. The sappy stuff.
More than a feeling.
Exactly.
Right.
So the source material for today's deep dive
Okay.
is a text called Love, the Rational Instinctual Understanding of Unity and Oneness.
Wow, that's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful.
Yeah.
And it's attributed to a Waxira.
Oh, Wakira.
Waxira, founder of the sacred Atlantean Brotherhood.
Okay, I'm already intrigued.
I know, right?
Who are these people?
Who are these people?
Yeah.
So this text dives into some pretty deep waters,
Okay.
looking at love as this like fundamental force, almost like a law of the universe.
Yeah. It's interesting.
So yeah, get ready. This is going to be a wild ride.
All right, I'm buckled up. Let's go.
Okay, so right off the bat, this text throws us a curveball.
Okay.
It says, love isn't simply, like a fleeting emotion.
Right.
It's a deeper understanding of our connection
Uh-huh.
to absolutely everything and everyone.
Wow.
It's like we're all part of this massive cosmic web,
Yeah.
all interconnected. What do you make of that?
Well, I mean, it's a really powerful idea.
Yeah.
And it's not, unique to this text.
Right.
Like the concept of oneness has been around for centuries.
Oh, yeah.
Think about, Buddhism,
Right.
their concept of interconnectedness, or the way that indigenous cultures view all living things as, part of this like sacred web.
Right, like a delicate balance.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what I think is fascinating about this text is that it kind of tries to bridge that ancient wisdom
Yeah.
with, like a more rational, even scientific
Well,
understanding of love.
I like okay, so this text is full of these like really bold statements.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
There's a quote that really stood out to me. It says, in the name of love, for love, with love.
Whoa.
What is that? Is that a secret code? Is it a mantra?
A declaration.
Is it a declaration? What's your take?
I see it more as like a guiding principle. It's
Oh.
saying that love isn't just the goal.
Right.
It's the motivation.
Yeah.
It's the method.
So it's like the why,
The why.
the how,
The how.
and what. Exactly. It's like love is the why, the how, and the what.
Wow. Okay, so it's like this all-encompassing force that
Yeah.
drives everything.
That's what they're saying.
Okay, I'm starting to see the bigger picture here.
Yeah.
But then the text brings up this like classic idea of loving your neighbor as yourself.
Right.
But that raises a question for me.
Okay.
Why do we even love ourselves in the first place?
Yeah.
I mean, we're all, messing up.
Yeah.
We've got insecurities,
It's not always easy to, feel that self-love.
It's true. It's not always sunshine and rainbows.
Right.
But I think the text really tackles this head on.
Okay.
It suggests that true self-love
Yeah.
comes from recognizing our inherent wholeness. Like
Yeah.
we're not broken pieces
Yeah.
trying to become something we're not.
Right.
We are already complete just as we are.
We are enough.
Yes, exactly. And accepting that imperfections and all,
Yeah.
that's where true self-love begins.
So it's not about being, like narcissistic or like denying our flaws.
Oh, not at all.
Okay.
It's about embracing the totality of who we are,
Okay.
the good, the bad, and everything in between.
The whole package.
The whole shebang.
Right.
And it's only from that place of radical self-acceptance that we can genuinely extend that same love and acceptance outwards to others.
Wow, that's beautiful.
It is.
And it all circles back,
Yeah.
to that concept of oneness, recognizing that we are all interconnected, part of the same fabric.
Exactly.
Okay, so then the text hits us with another one of these big statements.
Okay, lay it on me.
Love, at its core, is the law.
Okay.
Whoa, what are we talking about here?
Right.
Are they talking about a literal law?
Interesting.
Like, can I get arrested for not being loving enough? What's going on?
I don't think you're going to see lack of love citations anytime soon.
Okay, good.
But there is a deeper truth to that statement.
Yeah.
The text is saying that love
Yeah.
is the highest form of intelligence we can attain. It goes beyond rules and regulations.
Yeah.
Think about it, acts of compassion, forgiveness, empathy,
Right.
those aren't driven by duty or fear of punishment.
Right.
They come from a deeper understanding of our shared humanity, recognizing our interconnectedness.
That's like law of the heart.
Exactly, a law of the heart.
Not a law of, the courts.
Right, exactly. Not something you're going to get in trouble for legally.
Exactly. Okay.
But maybe, morally.
Yeah, right. Like ethically.
Right.
It makes me think about those moments where we choose kindness over anger,
Mm-hmm.
understanding over judgment.
Yeah. It feels like we're tapping into something bigger than ourselves.
Absolutely.
Okay, so are you ready for another curveball?
Hit me with it.
Okay, this one's a Kikuyu proverb.
Okay.
It says, "Love and stupidity are children of the same mother."
Ooh, that's a good one.
Right?
Right.
I'm a little worried. Now, are they saying falling in love makes us irrational,
Ooh.
even foolish?
It's an interesting paradox.
It is.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Because from a purely logical standpoint,
Yeah.
acts of love can seem irrational.
Right.
Putting someone else's needs before your own,
Yeah.
taking risks for someone you care about.
Right.
It doesn't always make sense on the surface,
Yeah.
but that's precisely the point.
Okay.
Love compels us to act.
Yeah. From a place that transcends self-preservation.
Mm.
It pushes us to think beyond our limited perspective
Yeah.
and consider the well-being of others.
Right.
Even if it means making what might seem like a foolish choice.
Okay, so it's not about being stupid.
Right.
It's about recognizing
Yeah.
that sometimes the most profound actions
Mm-hmm.
come from a place that defies pure logic.
Exactly.
They come from love.
Love, connection, understanding.
Yeah, wow. So this deep dive has been like a total mind blower.
It has, right?
We've explored love as this unifying force,
Yes.
a higher intelligence,
Mm-hmm.
a law of the heart,
The law of the heart.
and even touched on, love's paradoxical foolishness.
Yeah.
But if love is truly this powerful, this transformative,
Right.
how do we actually integrate these concepts into our daily lives?
That's the question, isn't it?
Right.
How do we actually live this?
How do we approach our relationship?
Our work, our
Yeah.
interactions with the world,
Everything.
through this lens of love
As a higher intelligence.
as a guiding principle.
This is definitely something I'm going to be pondering,
Yeah.
long after this deep dive.
Yeah, me too.
And I encourage you to do the same. What does it mean for you
Right.
to embrace love as a force for good in your own life? The answers might surprise you.
They might.
So until next time, keep thinking, keep exploring, and as always,
Keep loving.
keep loving.
Yes.
All right, thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
It was a pleasure.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.